Hello, and welcome to the first ever summer camp by Art for All. This camp will consist of 10 online classes of 1 hour in small groups. You'll be learning oil pastels, mandala art, pencil sketching, madhubani, and more art styles. There's a lot of free stuff as well, including printable coloring books and artist profile on Kids Art Fun website, certificate of completion and entry to our June art contest. The fee for the workshop is rupees $24.99 if you are in India, or $39 if you are based in the USA or any other country. We've shared a form in the description. Please register or send us an email if you have any questions. Thank you for all the support you have shown to Art for All, and see you soon.